Well, welcome back to our channel. We appreciate you guys being here. We are getting our brooder set up. We've been talking about this in the last few videos. So today, if you've ever wondered how to set up a brooder, thought about getting chickens yourself, whether it be egg-laying chickens or meat birds, stick around. We're going to show you our process setting up Brooderville back here. And also, we'll tell you about some of our playlists that you guys can check out if you're interested in being a little more self-reliant or growing your own egg layers or meat birds. Well, as we talked about last time with our brooder, we've been getting everything organized. We don't have power out here, and that's one of the main things we're working on today. So we've got our extension cord running from the house all the way up here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take just an outdoor electrical box, just a little protector, and we're going to attach this to the side of the building, run our extension cord all the way from the house up to there, and feed it through the building, keep it watertight, and be able to come into the building and protect it. With our brooders, we are going to, from the outside, connect it right there, right up under the window, so that both brooders will have easy access to the power source.
There. Screw it in.
Look good?
It's good.
Yeah, that'll fit. And then we can do your little electrical cover thing.
There we go. Ta-da!
Is this just snap on?
Yay. Well, that one works. We'll have to get new bulbs, probably anyway.
That works. That'll work.
There we go. That one was like too far in. Yep, shimmy it.
Get it lined up.
Okay. Just make sure not. There we go. Now we've got these bigger waters that we can use the whole time.
Yep. Just need to clean them up real good.
Yeah. And we've got the different levels. So when they're chicks, it's all the way almost to the ground, and then we can keep raising it up on the hooks that are in there.
Wow.
These. We could use those instead of these.
To start with.
Yeah. Because you get more feed in here. And then they're waters.
And they have feet, so
Yep. So you can, for
stay
chick,
out of the mulch.
and then, yeah.
I mean, the shavings.
And you can raise them up as they get a little older.
Yep.
And you can even hang those up too.
So we did a video a while back about the top 5 things you need for your brooders. I'll link that above. You guys can check that out. But these are just some of the supplies that we're getting ready. Waters are definitely top priority. We're gonna get those clean here shortly. Feeders, got plenty of those. And then as they get bigger, then we've got the bigger feeders underneath. And these are the waterers that will go out when they're on the pasture. Now, these tubs are really good to keep our feed in. They had laundry detergent, but they were left over, and they have the clamp lids in case anything ever gets in here. So we just cleaned them out real good, and they have been great. They're pretty thick, like nothing's really going to get through them, or any kind of mice or anything going to be able to chew through that. But
Sorry, good. You were stuck on the corner for a second.
now eventually we'll put these up on like a message board somewhere right in here, but I like to have our information, you know, if anybody comes by showing our LLC, showing that we are certified, and some of the programs that we're involved with ASAP, Appalachian Grown Certified, and then you can see right there, they got to be NC. We keep our feed schedule by the feed, and we'll have a scale and everything out here for that. But I made a video on exactly what you should feed and how much you should feed. You guys can check that out. I'll link that above. But I like to leave that out here with the feed, obviously. It just makes it convenient, so when you're getting ready to feed the chickens, you know exactly what you need to feed them. And that's a look at our brooder setup. We got our elevated brooders ready to go. Eventually, the plan would be to just enclose this whole back section back here and make it the brooder. We've got our supply shelves, our waterers, basically everything that's related to our chickens, especially when they come from the brooder and they go out the door out on the pasture. So this is where their chicken run is going to be. Really excited about that this year. A lot more room. And the key to any brooder is going to be heat and also airflow. So we've got the 3 windows that they installed for us to help with the cross ventilation, especially in the summer. It's going to get hot in here. We're going to have to possibly add like an attic vent fan, something like that a little bit later. But we'll add that if we need to. But if not, we've got the 3 windows. We'll keep the door open. So we're going to go wash up all the waterers, the feeders, and get those ready. Chicks will be here in about a month.
So we have 2 poles that need replacing on our stark line fence. And so we bought 2 replacements. Very inexpensive at stark line, and we just need to go ahead and replace them.
Oh,
Yeah.
look at that, Jeff.
Okay.
So how old is this?
This fence, 4
4 years old?
4 years old.
And that's the end point. So of course it's going to get a lot of wear and tear.
That's the
And I think at our old house it was real super rocky, and I
Yeah.
think it got busted on a rock.
Okay,
That's
so
the
going to replace that.
Yeah. This is gonna be trashed, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, you can keep the pole itself, but you don't need the bottom part.
I just need an opening. Ta-da.
There's one, Laurie.
I heard her. No. You're talking. No. There you go.
All right.
Put this guy down.
Can I help you? Well, that's a lot easier to do.
Mm-hmm.
Got Stanley chisel on the
All right. That's how you change out Stark line chicken netting
Probably toss that.
posts.
We have a bunch of others.
We do have an affiliate link. You can check that out. Well, there you have it. Everything that we do to get our brooder ready. We're pretty excited this year. We're upping our chicken production with more baby chicks coming throughout the whole chicken season. Got our brooders ready to go. Lights have been tested, cleaned the waters, feeders are ready to roll. Now we just wait. So about a month from now, we'll be getting our first batch of baby chickens in. If you are interested in anything chicken related, whether it's baby chicks for meat or raising chicks to future egg layers, we've got 2 playlists that we've created. I will leave those right at the end for you to check out. We've done everything from raising them from baby chicks for meat purposes and how we process those when we've raised pullets up to egg layers, how we integrate the flocks. Everything that you can think of that we've experienced over the past 4 years, we've gotten those 2 playlists. So check out the end of the video. I'll leave those 2 playlists linked for you. If you've got any questions, feel free to reach out to us, flatgatfarm@gmail.com, or you can leave a comment below. And we appreciate you guys tuning in as we get Brooderville, USA set up for this year's chicken season. We'll see you on the next video.